Hello, my name is Nehal Ravindra Chaudhary and today date is 7th October 2021. So today topic is public static void main string args. So what is main? Main, it is an entry point of the class. Whenever we start the execution of the class, then we are always starting from the main methods. So there are the different type into the main method. The first one is a public. Public is an access modifier which is specify that who can access that methods. So we use the public access modifier into the public. Using public, it is accessible everywhere into the class, into the outside the class, into the package, outside the package, outside the inside the project. So next topic is a static. Static, it is an keyword. It's access for the object. When we have a static keyword into the main method, then we don't want to create an object of that class. An object, we can directly access all methods, field and variable using the static word. So whenever we return the code into the static main method, then we don't want to create object. We directly access that method or field. We don't want to create, don't instantiate that class. So static, whenever we don't create a static, whenever we don't use the static keyword into the main method, then it's give the error when the compiler is compile the program. So it's necessary to give the static keyword before main methods. So next one is a void. Void is a return type which is used to define a method, and void is not return any value. So it's only define the methods. Next one is a main. Main is a starting point of the class which is specify the entry of the class. When JVM start the execution of the program, so it's starting from the main method. It's first JVM is searching first the main method and then start the execution of that code. When into the class, if we are not declare any main method, then execution is getting fail. It means that it's give the error. The error is it's a call the main method into the class. So it's necessary to give the main method if you want to access or execute the code. So then give the main method. So main method is very important part of the class. So next one is a string. String is a character is a collection of the character. Then string is made from the character. Then string args and the array. It means that is passing the parameter into the method. String args is passing the parameter into the method. Whenever we want to declare the parameter into the main method, we can declare the method into the string args and into that bracket. And we want to access that or display that parameter, then we can use the command prompt. Using the command prompt, we can access or we can see that all parameter which is given into the string args, and we see that parameter by a command prompt. Using the command prompt, we use the command prompt seeing the parameter of the main method. In short, the string args giving the parameters, and we can access it from command prompt. Calling the main method into the command prompt, then we can access all parameters. We can see all parameters from the command prompt. Then we can directly access we can directly access all method because of the static, because static keyword is give the memory at the time of the class is loaded. So we don't need to create object into the main method. We can directly do the code into the main method. For example, if we are doing the addition of the two parameters, then we take the two variables and then we directly call one method addition, or then we directly do the addition of that methods, and we get the addition of that two method using the print statement. For example, integer a equals to 10 and then integer b equals to 20. Then we directly print this out, a plus b, and then we directly getting the output of that integer number. So we are get the addition of that two numbers. So today topic is public static void main string args. Thank you.